I love it here. And we try to save our how do you say that? Bricks. Okay, finish. Hello guys, I know it has been long since I have posted my last video, like it was like a month ago I think or something like that, but just because I haven't found the time yet, I think, because there have been many changes in our life which is happening right now, like she and I have shifted to a new room and I've started working every day in a new tattoo studio. And yeah, I'm looking for a kindergarten for Tree, for example. So there are many things which are going on in our life right now, so I couldn't find the time to upload a new video or to even do new videos, but I still had some from India left, and I wanted to show you guys what we have done in our house, because we have started fixing the roof of our house and we wanted to do it the traditional way, which was with these slides, but it's kind of the traditional way mixed with the new age way, which is like really nice and proper. Unfortunately, I couldn't be there till the end, but I will show you more when I go back to India in October, because many more changes have been done, and I really hope that I can do more videos, because I'm really surprised actually how many new people are there right now. The last time I was online, I saw it was like kind of 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers, and now I'm getting overwhelmed and it's already 6,000, and I want to celebrate that somehow. I don't know how yet, but I thank you so much. Everybody subscribing, everybody new, everybody supporting our dream. I just don't know how to answer every comment because daily it's getting more and more and more, and I have never thought it will come to this point actually. Yeah, I'm a little surprised, and I'm thankful for everybody who's there. I'm thankful for everybody who's following, and I really hope that I can do some more videos about our life here in Germany, what's going on right now. And I will for sure do some videos when we go back to India, because you know we are keep on going back there from time to time. But at the moment, as I said, I'm working daily. Yeah, I try to do more videos. I'm really trying, and it's good to see that so many more people are there. And I hope you could enjoy this small, tiny little video. See you soon for new ones. See you soon for maybe for our life here, the way we live here right now, which is also very interesting for me and very fun. And I'm very happy that we found this place, and I'm very happy that Sri and I are here. Talk to you soon, and bye.